Okay, so this is the old tub drain. Came out, went to the drain part. This comes up, goes to the overflow. So we gotta cut this off. I'm going to attempt to do this and not drop my tool down into this cavity. Okay, so our new shower drain is 5 3/4 off of the end wall, 16 inches off of the side wall. So that brings this over a bit. So we will see what a couple of 45s do for us. And that looks to be pretty well there. But so that's got to come over more, but my distance here is good. So it's got to come this way a bit more. Something like that. Yep, that's good. So we'll do that, but we gotta be a bit lower because this shower drain may sit about that high. So I just want to make sure that we get a bit of wiggle room. So we'll trim this down just a bit. And again, try not to drop my tool. Okay. Once we're happy with that, then we will glue everything up. Right. Let's see if I can bring this up a bit. I'm not working in a finished space, so we have no need for a rag right now because this is just raw plywood going underneath the shower. So one thing, I don't know if we can see that on here. On these fittings, there's lines at every quarter, and it helps you line things up so that it is exactly in plane, or if you need it to be not like a quarter off, half off sort of thing. Just in case anybody was wondering. Okay. So that pipe is just there so that I can visually see that I'm where I need to be.